This is the lesson 8 review from Math 6. This one's a little complicated because they don't give you a conversion chart. So I'm just going to do the best I can here. Here we go. Okay, so the first question is how many feet is 2 miles? I know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And I know that because I've been a math teacher for 24 years and I kind of have that one memorized. So I'm going to use dimensional analysis on this. Now remember, dimensional analysis is when you're multiplying it by a fraction where the unit is flipped. So if the unit was in the numerator in the first fraction, you want it to be in the denominator of the second, so they cancel each other out. So 2 miles times, I know I want miles on bottom. I know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So miles cancel. 2 times 5,280 is 10,560 feet in 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 10,560 feet. That's it. Dimensional analysis. Next question. I keep making my pen smaller. I'll bet there's a default where I could just do that all the time. 144 inches is how many yards? 144 inches. I'm going to make it into a fraction, 144 inches over 1 times. I want inches to cancel, so I'm going to put inches in the denominator. And I know I'm changing this into yards. Do you know how many inches are in a yard? A yard is 3 feet. A foot is 12 inches. So 12, 12, and 12 would be 36. So there are 36 inches in 1 yard. And notice I've got inches in the numerator, which cancels inches in the denominator. 144 times 1 is 144. 36 times 1 is 36. And 144 divided by 36 is 4. And the only unit of measurement that's left is the word yard. So 144 inches is 4 yards. 4 ounces to pounds. I know that there are 16 ounces in a pound because I looked it up because I always forget. So let's see. 4 ounces is what I'm trying to convert. I know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. And because 4 ounces is in the numerator, I'm going to put 16 ounces in the denominator, and that's 1 pound. So ounces cancels ounces. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 16 is 16. The only unit that's left is pound. 4 divided by 16 is 0.25 pounds. Quarter of a pound. 0.25. Quarts and gallons. There's 4 quarts in a gallon. 4 quarts in a gallon. And what are they giving me? They're asking me about 3 gallons. So 3 gallons, that means I want gallons on the bottom. I'm turning this into quarts. I know there's 4 quarts in 1 gallon. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. The word gallon in the numerator cancels the word gallon in the denominator when you're multiplying the two. So the only unit left is quarts. So 3 gallons has 12 quarts in it. Ta-da! Excuse me. Allergies. Last one. The hippo at the zoo weighs 1.5 tons. How many pounds does the hippo weigh? 1 ton is 2,000 pounds? Am I right? Raise your hand if I'm right. Okay, good. I see you all have your hands up. So 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So 1.5 ton. I want the word ton on bottom. I know 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. And we're using dimensional analysis to solve this. 1.5 times 2,000 is 3,000. 1 times 1 is 1, and the only measurement left is pounds. So, how many pounds does the hippo weigh? 3,000. Tommy says hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi?
Poopy Barbie.
What?
Poopy Barbie.
Poopy what?
Poopy Barbie.
Right. He's 5. It's all about.
I'm saying Poopy Barbie.
I hear you. It's all about poop around here.
Mama,
What?
I'm saying Poopy Barbie.
Poopy Barbie?
Yeah. That's what I was saying.
That's so funny.